how to share a post on Instagram to Facebook. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to share a post from Instagram to your Facebook. It's so easy and quick, so let's jump in. First thing, go to your Instagram. Now go to search icon, and for example I'm just seeing posts here, a lot of posts. Click on this one. Now all I need to do to share this post to my Facebook is click on those 3 points up there and click on share to, and wait a minute. Now choose if you want to share to your Facebook or to your groups on Facebook. For example, to your groups, and click on it. This is it guys. Hope this video was helpful to you, and if you like the video, don't forget to subscribe and like.